Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Meera Shad and I am a foundation level student at Trans School of It Campus, Islamabad. So hello everyone. Today I would like to share some inspiring lessons from the TEDx Talk. And today my topic is moving forward by Jannat Ali. So, guys, as you know, life is full of challenges. Sometimes we face failure, disappointment, fear, or criticism. These moments can make us feel stuck and uncertain about our future. However, Jannat Ali reminds us that progress is not about having a perfect life, it is about finding the strength to keep moving forward even when the journey becomes difficult, right? So, one of the most powerful messages from the talk is that growth begins when we accept ourselves and believe in our abilities. Many people allow fear or the opinions of others to control their decisions, but true success comes when we have the courage to follow our dreams and stay focused on our goals. Jannat Ali also emphasizes the importance of resilience. Every obstacle we face teaches us something valuable. Instead of seeing problems as barriers, we can view them as opportunities to grow and learn and to improve. So, challenges may slow us down, but they do not have to stop us. Another important lesson is the value of education and continuous learning. Knowledge gives us confidence and helps us make better decisions, right? So when we invest in learning, we create new opportunities for ourselves and contribute positively to society. The talk encourages us to stay hopeful and never give up. Success is not achieved overnight. It requires patience, determination, and consistent effort. Every small step we take brings us closer to our goals. So, in conclusion, moving forward teaches us that life is about progress, not perfection. No matter what difficulties we face, we should continue to believe in ourselves, learn from our experiences, and move forward with courage and confidence. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for listening. So viewers, thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.